Hello, everyone. You are about to witness strange phenomena that even the most knowledgeable individuals find difficult to explain without the assistance of a camera lens. Because these incredible and mysterious moments of the world will begin right now. As we can observe, when the water recedes far out, the tsunami will surge very deep inland. My primary concern at this moment is whether the individual operating the camera is doing well. Has a phenomenon like this ever occurred within the United States? I am quite certain that following this incident, the transportation system will be paralyzed for a long duration of time. At the Brittany Festival in France, the whirlwind appeared to want to join the festivities in its own particular way.
God.
I suspect my owner is a rather foolish individual for bringing me to locations such as this. This phenomenon is formed when a mixture of mud, water, and methane gas come into contact with one another, bubbling and boiling exactly like I do when encountering 18-year-old ladies on the seashore.
I'm not happy like this.
Is there any location within the United States where an individual can witness a tidal phenomenon in real life, quite like this one?
You have just arrived.
I suspect that if this were to occur on a regular basis, the individual selling fishing rods would certainly face bankruptcy.
What was that?
I got it, Dick.
Truly astonishing. Exactly what sort of creature do you suppose is residing at the bottom of the lake?
Oh my God! Damn!
What are you doing? What are you doing? To the nth degree. Send him a picture. Oh, yeah.
Du thuyền này có cái này hấp dẫn này các bạn.
If you encounter a similar phenomenon, do not consider it to be merely an interesting sight, as you could very well be the target that the lightning strike selects.
Елена Анатольевна, мы вот сами не можем поверить. Мы пошли погулять.
There have been wildfires in California that have caused damage exceeding $100 billion. With fire tornadoes being one of the reasons why fires spread and become more difficult to control. Have you ever witnessed a sight quite like this while out at sea?
God.
This phenomenon is frequently recorded in Oman, near the area of the Take Cave, which is one of the largest sinkholes in the world. It occurs during torrential rains when rainwater overflows into the sinkhole beneath the desert floor. Over in Italy, the high tide phenomenon brought schools of gray mullet to swim freely within the city streets. Mammatus clouds are among the most peculiar spherical clouds in the world.
God's creation. Terrible tornado storm comes through.
They typically forecast significant thunderstorms accompanied by thunder and lightning. Truly incredible. However, do you suspect that this is a product created by artificial intelligence? This canine must possess a better grasping ability than quite a few human beings I know. I suspect this young man needs to learn a bit more regarding skateboarding from other professionals in the field. Please subscribe to the channel now so you do not miss any impressive moments from the natural world. Has the sky in the state where you reside ever experienced a strange phenomenon such as this one? Although it looks quite strange, this is not a supernatural phenomenon. Red sprites are an extremely rare type of lightning that appears above powerful storms. The camera was fortunate enough to capture the moment when thousands of millipedes were migrating through a forest in Taiwan. This moment first emerged back in 2013, but it has recently begun to circulate once again and has once more left many individuals feeling quite astonished. In your professional estimation, what sort of distance should be maintained to admire this beauty in its entirety?
My God! We're in a tornado! We're literally in a tornado, dude. Look at the trees, oh, dude, it just crushed the crane truck. It might flip the truck. Oh!
In April of 2026, the city of Tobruk was forced to declare a state of emergency when a dense dust storm enveloped and dyed the entire sky red.
O que acontece quando a descarga?
This is the primary reason why all restroom facilities need to be closed following their use.
Carai, que loucura, né?
Our planet is truly peculiar. There are trees that can emit fire, which looks quite mysterious.
Já viu isso, tal da Itaúba?
There are trees that actually pour out water instead. At Marina Beach, a tense situation recently occurred when a powerful wave struck a seaside restaurant with incredible strength.
Nah, bro. Let's go!
That bird is remarkably lazy. I suspect it is because this gentleman has pampered the creature far too much. In your estimation, do you suppose this is a product of AI?
It's really rocking now.
Scientists have discovered the largest spider web in the world, spanning an area of approximately 1,140 square feet within a cave in Greece. Do you suppose that with just a single gulp, a whale could capture this entire school of fish? It appears as though nature has been remarkably generous toward the residents living in this area. A residence in Santa Rosa, California, became an involuntary food storage facility when a woodpecker stored up to 700 pounds of acorns within the walls. Dust devils are formed due to a large temperature difference between the heated ground and the cooler air layer above on days with very little wind.
Oh my god.
Have you ever had your parking space occupied by floodwaters within your own state?
Oh my gosh, look at that car. That was fun.
Never quite understood this, but these birds have invaded this parking lot. Oh, I wonder what will happen if I honk my horn. Watch this. See?
An unpredictable situation recently occurred on a mountain slope in southern Italy when heavy rainfall triggered a violent landslide incident. For those involved in agriculture, even a single hailstorm such as this can cause them to lose an entire season of crops. One thing is for certain, they have been very well educated. With such a large number of bats, I suspect that no one will be bothered by mosquito bites within a 1-mile radius. This canine possesses a truly impressive jumping ability. It feels as though the animal is actually capable of flight. This is precisely the reason why every household should consider keeping a canine companion. It is quite strange. As the leaves fall, it feels as though a helicopter is making a landing.
Блять. Ой. Я понимаю, все прекрасно. Вот это повезло.
Exactly. How do you suppose you would react if you were out on a boat and encountered a situation like this? This moment will demonstrate the absolute power of a dam when it releases water. Do you suppose this species of fish actually exists in real life? Does this particular scene remind you of any specific motion picture?
Look at me! There, it's stopped.
Perhaps this vehicle did not possess enough patience to wait for its owner to return.
Bây giờ cái phong cách này của Viễn Tắc Trường Sơn ấy nó hay làm.
Cái này là của mấy anh em phố cổ. Cái gì Lê Minh.
Cái này cây thường tín làm này. Thường tín, đúng không? Thường tín mấy cây này. Em luôn đây.
This unique astronaut sculpture is truly wonderful in its design. The way he performs his work appears remarkably professional.
There's no one here.
The Italian Air Force performed a truly spectacular aerial display, providing a feast for the eyes in the skies over Las Vegas, Nevada. In your professional estimation, do you suppose this is a UFO?
Whoa! Daddy, we see them!
Did you happen to know that the spotted garden eel is an incredibly shy creature? They will quickly conceal themselves within the sand as soon as they detect any outside approach. A NASA camera captured a very interesting image upon the surface of Mars. In my estimation, it bears a striking resemblance to the face of my own spouse. It is difficult to believe this could occur, and many individuals have doubted its authenticity because no steam was seen rising as the lava flowed across the snow. A California resident catches a driver who rang their doorbell and then fled. Sleepy bears enter hibernation mode. Oh, I want to hibernate too. Surveillance cameras captured the moment a kind person took off their shirt to help an elderly woman clean up after she fell in Cincinnati, Ohio, on March 25th. Wow, that dog is even better than me. The woman believes the dog was mocking her leg injury.
He's taking the piss.
Heavy snowfall blankets the area, drastically reducing visibility and making movement difficult. Maintaining a slow speed and safe distance is always a wise choice. If you enjoyed this shark hunting scene, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more exciting moments. On January 22nd, 2026, Indonesia suffered several severe tornadoes at the beginning of the year.
It's a stampede! One of the most breathtaking sights in nature.
Camels running around the amusement park after escaping from their enclosure. If you see this, keep a safe distance. This moment concludes our collection for today. We truly appreciate your time and your continued support. We always strive to improve our content, so please leave your feedback in the comments. See you again soon.